Welcome back to Food Fact for You. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to Spain to uncover the secrets behind the world-famous Iberico pigs and their delectable meat. Or is it not as culinary as we think it is? And is this Iberico meat in the supermarket really Iberico meat? First, what is it and where does it come from? Iberian pigs and meat originate from Spain and are known for their high quality and unique flavor. These pigs are also commonly referred to as pata negra and are native to the Iberian Peninsula, which includes Spain and Portugal. They are primarily found in the southwestern regions of Spain. There are four main breeds of Iberian pigs that vary in purity and meat quality: the pure Iberian breed, the Duroc breed, and the Serrano breed. One of the key factors contributing to the taste and quality of the meat is the pig's diet. They are often fed a diet primarily consisting of acorns, also known as bellota, which results in a distinctive flavor and marbling of the meat. Iberian pigs are renowned for their high degree of intramuscular fat marbling, which imparts a distinctive flavor and makes the meat tender and juicy. Iberian meat is classified based on the pig's diet and breed. The highest quality level is Jam Iberico de Bellota, signifying that the pigs were fed acorns and belong to the pure Iberian breed. These pigs roam freely in the fresh outdoors, which could be described as paradise, and have a very exclusive diet. Other classifications include Jam Iberico de Cabo de Campo. Those are pigs fed grain and grass in open fields. And then we have Jam Iberico de Cebo, pigs fed grain in controlled conditions. The most famous product from these pigs is Jam Iberico, a dried and cured ham. In addition to ham, other meat products are made, such as Lomo Iberico, Chorizo Iberico. This is a kind of sausage, and Salchicha Iberico, a kind of salami, all highly appreciated for their flavor. These pigs and their meat play a significant role in Spanish culinary tradition, and the preparation and enjoyment of Iberian meat are often social and cultural events. This delicious, tender pork has gained international recognition due to its exceptional quality. However, it is often considered a luxury product due to the meticulous production methods and limited availability. Now, here's something interesting. This exclusive Spanish ham from exceptional pigs with an eccentric taste is readily available in all supermarkets. But there's a catch. The fine print reveals something unusual. Iberico may only be 50% Iberico. What's the deal? It's a delicious addition to your charcuterie board, but it comes with a premium price tag. If you check the packaging, you'll notice it says 50% Raza Iberica. This means that the package of D-line meats may consist of only 50% of the expensive ham. But what about the other 50%? What is it, and how does it end up in a slice of ham? High-quality, genuine Iberico ham can easily cost more than €300 per kilogram. If it's priced lower, you should question whether you're buying real Iberico. As mentioned, these luxury pigs live in paradise, and that's what you're essentially paying for: their luxurious lifestyle. This exclusivity makes the meat unique and inefficient to produce. In essence, you're paying for the luxury lifestyle of the pigs, which ultimately contributes to the exclusivity of the breed. Since 2014, there has been a law in Spain that requires Iberico farmers to indicate the percentage of Iberico in their pigs. When the pig has an Iberico breed mother, it is guaranteed to be an Iberico pig, even if, for example, the father is a different breed. This is the case with 50% Raza Iberica pigs. This makes the pig, and thus the meat, half as expensive. The 50% Iberico ham in the supermarket was once a crossbred pig. In many cases, these 50% Iberico pigs have a Duroc pig as their father. They often never see the outdoors or eat acorns before slaughter. While they are half Iberico by breed, they are not treated in the same way. Good to know, right? In addition to ham, there are plenty of other Iberico meat products, including medallions, chops, ribs, dried sausages, and even Iberico chorizo. However, when you examine the packaging of these products, you'll notice something missing, a percentage of how much Iberico is actually in them. As a consumer, you never know for sure how much percentage of Iberico is in a package if it's not stated on the packaging. It's highly likely that it contains only 50% Iberico. Only 12% of these pigs live in paradise, and the demand for the meat is much higher. As a result, despite the low percentage, all pigs are sold as Iberico products. This often makes Iberico appear much more luxurious and exclusive than it actually is. In summary, the industry profits significantly from the Iberico name, while consumers are left guessing about the exact pig on their plate. And there you have it, the incredible story of Iberico pigs and their kind of fake meat. We hope you enjoyed this crazy exploration with us. If you found this video as interesting as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tantalizing food adventures. Have any questions or want to share your thoughts? Leave a comment down below.